This video is dedicated for beginners in Canva. We'll change the background. We'll go to this place, we'll upload, get set or airport, remove background, adjust the color a little bit, upscale it. Okay, expand it like this. Go to elements, go to shape. This one a little bit, expand. From it to 6 7. Expand it a little bit. Give it a border. Six. Come here. Duplicate this. And crop it out. Go back to upload. I uploaded this one already. We'll crop it a little. Crop it a little. We'll come here. We'll corner it. 47. We'll bring it here. We'll click here so that it will be on the center line. Okay. We'll now send it backward. That is it. Now go to text. Now go to text. We'll type AirPods. AirPods. Make it poppins. We'll expand it. Go to color. Use this color. We'll duplicate. Type masks. Reduce the font size to 54.4. And this one will be 82.7. We'll change this color to white. We'll align it here. We'll highlight all, reduce the size, take it up. We'll go back to elements again. We'll go to shape. We'll reduce the corners to 6 7 to 50. Sorry, we'll use 50. We'll bring it down. Set it to back. Push it down a little. This is vector design Apple Pay icon style. So we'll bring this here. Change the color to white. Expand it a little. Place it here. And it back. And bring it down. We'll reduce it a little bit. It's okay like this. We'll highlight the two, the shape and the icon placing, and make it center. Okay. That's all for this. We'll go back to text again. Type AirPods Max. We'll bring it here. Change the font to poppins. Make it bold. Go to color. We use gray azure, gray azure will not be fine. We use dark gray blue. Dark gray blue is perfect for it. We duplicate again and again. So this is smart case. This is USB-C cable. That's type C. We'll bring it to align it. Then go to this one here, the footer. We'll also shift it. And this one a little bit. Raise this up. Okay, now check this 5. Also now bring this one to 5 too. That's good. we'll go over to elements again. Go over to elements again. Click on square. Reduce the size. Now this square resembles colors, available colors for this airport. So we'll give it line which is white. That's this. Or duplicate. This one now is white. Okay. Also duplicate. And this one is blue, while the borderline is white. Over here, raise it up a little bit. This is our final job. Thank you.